Hello friends, today's topic 6 factors to decide market direction next week. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Nifty continues to trade strong and is just around 1.5% away from the lifetime high. The last few weeks have been very volatile for markets due to various local and global factors. As per analysis, the volatility is likely to continue in the coming weeks too. The overall rally has been continuing since the end of October 2023. Although the expectation is that the overall uptrend will continue, there could be small corrections periodically. Based on the following factors, Nifty will move in the coming week. Number one, US Federal Reserve meeting this week. The US Federal Reserve will be having its two-day meeting on 30th April and 1st May. It will announce its interest rate decision after the meeting is concluded on 1st May. According to most analysts, the US Federal Reserve will leave its interest rate unchanged due to rising inflation. The expectation of rate cut continues but is not likely for some more months. Markets have initially rallied the beginning of the year due to the US Federal Reserve's announcement of likely rate cuts from June-July 2024. However, now the chances of that happening have reduced significantly since inflation has been very high. Whenever there is a rate cut, stock markets would cheer it. Number two, Iran-Israel conflict. Although the conflict has not flared up too much, anything is still possible and the situation can escalate. If there is any major deterioration in Iran-Israel conflict or Israel-Palestine war, then markets could react negatively to the development. Number three, quarterly results this week. Many large companies will be announcing their quarterly results in this week. Some of the major companies are Tata Chemicals, Ultratech Cements, Trent, Adani Enterprises, Havells, Adani Power, Ambuja Cement, Adani Ports, Coal India, Dabur, Britannia, MRF, Titan, DMart, Kotak Bank, etc. Number four, FIIs net buyers. FIIs have been net sellers of stocks in Indian markets in April so far and worth of 6,304 crores. DIIs have been net buyers of stocks worth 20,797 crores in April. FIIs were net buyers in the month of March. The major reason for FII selling is a sustained rise in US bond yields. The 10-year bond yield now stands at around 4.7%, which is attractive for foreign investors. 5. Technical resistance for markets. The all-time high for Nifty 50 of around 22,750, 22,800 will be a resistance for markets. It will have to convincingly cross that mark to move higher. At the same time, the downside may be protected due to the support at 22,000 level. So it could trade in a narrow range for the next few days. Sixth factor to decide the fate of the stock market next week is India VIX. The volatility index is at 10.9 currently. It has been low since the last week. As long as it is low, market will have strength. However, if India VIX drastically increases for some reason, then markets could correct a bit. It is quite unusual for VIX to be low during election times. At the end of the video, here is the question. When markets fall, do you react? In what way? There are three choices: panic, excited and happy, no difference in thinking. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.